Hello students, we understand your passion to become civil servant. You are very eager to serve the nation, and this is the ultimate contribution in the nation building process. So here is a big announcement for you people. Han Global Studies is going to start a very fresh batch in English medium for the foundation batch. This foundation batch will be for 2027. So this is a big opportunity for those going to appear in examination next year and to sharpen the preparation. So course is going to commence on 28th of April. 28th April we will start the course, and the main content of this course is that there is a NCERT to advanced level of preparation. So first we will go for the basic NCERT, that is much needed to go for the advanced stage of preparation. So it will give you an opportunity to understand and to go in depth of the syllabus. So here there are some important setup to carry forward your preparation, and you will see that this course will be in Coral Bagh. So entire duration of the course will be for 15 months. We will try to cover all the content of the prelims syllabus before the examination, and then we will continue with some other programs like test, region, mentorship. So language will be exclusively in English. Okay. So it will be an integrated program for prelims, mains and interview. And I told you that it will cover the basic, that is the NCERT, along with the advanced courses. This course will be offline, but you can have the recording of this course for the next 24 months. So even though you have finished your syllabus, you are able to recall and revision the entire syllabus in the recorded format. So that will be valid for the next 24 months. Okay. So dedicated mentors are there for your troubleshooting, and daily mains answer writing session will be there to evaluate you. One of the most important characteristics of this program is that it is more focused on current affairs, newspaper readings. So you will have a gist of the various newspaper in PDF format monthly. So it will be given to the online ways, not in the book form, but in the PDF form. Okay. There will be a weekly practice class for the test, class synopsis, screen notes will be there. Whatever I am writing on the board, the entire things will be there in your portal. So you can access everything what we have discussed in the class, even though you have missed anything which is very remote, but you can access even later also. The entire synopsis of the screen will be there on your portal. So our entire team will be there, and this team is dedicated and highly experienced, most of them having the more than 20 years of the teaching experiences, and they had a seasoned contributor in the making of an IAS and IPS. So these are the dedicated team of the teachers: Sachin Arora sir, Shivesh sir, Kumud Ranjan sir, Gautam Kumar sir, Prabhakar Mani Tripathi sir, Kensuk Prashar sir, Rajabardhan sir, Subham Sharma sir, Arpit sir, Vivek Bhardwaj sir, and Dhruv Kumar. So, we have a separate program for the CSAT and the compulsory Hindi and English as well. So, there will be a dedicated class course for the CSAT and compulsory Hindi and English. So, this course is designed entirely for those students who had already read something or those who are going to begin, both will get a complete benefit of this course. So, therefore, be ready with the beginning of the class. You can visit everything online, or either you can go to our classroom offline centers here in Delhi, Karol Bagh, Azadpur Metro, and then Mukherjee Nagar Center. Any of the centers you can visit to find more information or to get enrollment. So, must get the benefit of this program and be the part of very intensive and exhaustive process which will help you in guiding and achieving your dream and objectives. Thank you.